In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice template in Jobber, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting things up for the first time or simply looking to freshen up your invoice presentation, this guide will take you through each step with clarity and ease. First, start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Jobber. It's a flexible online platform designed to help you manage and organize your business tasks efficiently. Once you have found the official site, the next step is to log in if you already have an account. If you're new to Jobber, just take a moment to sign up. Signing up is straightforward. Simply provide the necessary details, and you'll be ready to access the features of Jobber in no time. After successfully logging in or completing your registration, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Jobber dashboard. Here, you will find a gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to customizing various aspects of Jobber according to your preferences. From the menu that appears, select Settings to proceed. Next, navigate over to the Business Profile section. Within this area, scroll down until you find the Client Documentation settings. These settings give you control over the documents your clients will receive, ensuring they reflect your brand's professionalism. Once you're in the Client Documentation settings, click on Edit Settings. Here, you'll need to choose between the Quotes or Invoices tabs, depending on which document you want to customize. Since we're focusing on changing the invoice template in this video, go ahead and select the Invoices tab. Now, here comes the fun part: customizing the template. You have the opportunity to personalize every aspect of your invoice, including the header, content, footer, and even the terms and conditions. Make sure these elements align with your business image and the message you want to convey to your clients. Customization like this adds a personal touch and enhances the professional look of your documents. As you go through the customization, don't forget to make use of the preview function. This handy feature lets you see how your changes will look on the actual invoice before you finalize anything. It's a great way to make sure everything's perfect and aligned the way you want it. After you're satisfied with how your invoice looks, you're all set. Changing your invoice template in Jobber is that simple. This feature not only helps maintain consistency in your client documents, but also allows you to stand out with your unique business style. Keep this guide handy for any future changes or share it with colleagues who might benefit from it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing with Jobber.